Hola, so tataringe karisia ilana tangara so ni to ni shelo do ta ni to ni ka tsaji ge ta tanda pa ngara zanzam lindi no lo na yo pe mi ge na yo shu chen bu shu je yong na tan zam bu le ge je kho mo mu na lo ta ji mu ji ni ga le ka nga shu jen the de yo re de na ni ga re na ngara so ni Canada no li na ya ta ka lang kan so ge mu ji choma le ka nga sha ra jen the de yo re ta tanda yi ka nga thai ge go lo 원내 단에 소속의 수요를 가르마 밤에다 단에 멀리 로바지야도 펜트든 게그 당가서 멤버도 해정바 대마세베 따디들 정도서 단계가 카나다게 쇼라서 다 가지게 되는 내연디 들은 링아 이사가 되니 깔레전에 펜트든 게 처마 요마라 히코 리피디니 히타바니 투지체시아이 니코르 비디네 투지체시아이 원내 단내가 서서그 수업에서 말려다는 단밀 펜트두야다 다 들레 자체의 들레 개체의 자니요 말에 되게 알아서 최신이 해와 이나야 뱀무시그 선얼라보체의 사요를 뒤자니 어디 펜트두게 참아 요말아 니코르 비디니 양주 투지체시아인.
Today I am very happy to have this opportunity to express my gratitude to all the doctors and nurses and healthcare personnel for their courage and compassion in facing this pandemic. You helped to save thousands of lives and ensure the safety of others. So I want to thank you all very much, and I pray that your family and yourself have healthy and happy life filled with blessings from above. Thank you again for everyone.
Hello, Tashtele. On behalf of the Tibetan community of Alberta, I would like to express my sincere gratitude for all the frontline workers and healthcare providers for the numerous services that you have provided to the wider community over the last year and a half during this pandemic. Please know that your efforts, your dedication, your selflessness, and your expertise have greatly benefited the community, and you have both changed lives and saved lives through this period. Thank you so much.
नमस्ते मैं यहाँ कैलगरी से बोल रहा हूँ और हमारा टिबेटन की तरफ से मेरे को ऐसे बात करने के लिए चांस दिया, वो बहुत मेहरबानी। और मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि अपना सरकार को और अपना हॉस्पिटल डॉक्टर सब लोगों को ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि कोविड-19 का बीमारी से आप लोगों ने बहुत मेहनत किया है। और अभी हम लोग कनाडा जो कोविड का वो प्रॉब्लम अभी थोड़ा कम हो गया, वो सरकार और सब की मेहरबानी से ये हुआ है। बहुत सब लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है, उसे हम टिबेटन तरफ से बहुत थैंक यू कहना चाहता हूँ। और जय कनाडा, थैंक यू।
Hello, this is Techen Doje. Tashidele to all the frontline workers, doctors, nurses, and all other concerned healthcare workers, clinics. Thank you so much for your hard working during this pandemic time to save our life. You gave us new life. You gave us new future. You are the real stars of our nation, Canada. And so we are big salute for your courageous, your hardworking, your sacrifice for this nation. And thank you once again for your hardworking and your working day and night to save our life and sacrifice for this nation. Thank you, Tocheche and Tashidele.
Dashdle, I am Tenzin Sipak. I am Tibetan, and I would like to thank all of the frontline workers who have helped us stop COVID-19. Tuje Chenang.
Samula Dashdle, gaming la ya digilagi, and Taringa de Alego and Calgary, Tibet, Sobe Subsudani, Frontline workers, Sangmala, Nalche, the Zekarinche, the Tuji Chesland, and Shidu Sura. And Chidang of the Sama Hako, and you don't chugu the shoes and name and something dinner late, and you don't issue and something dinner and Pemase, would cap and Mitsama and Neum di Nedan, Dumi Nangula, Sudism, to sit in this Zatabutigara, Menka Nangola Leraching, doctor in it, do nurse in it, do any nursing assistant, Neu Dungin, do service worker, porter, housekeeping. 다 메가 낭로로 귤레라네 내가 칭에 창말이야 아니가 다다 Calgary 베베 속에 섭시대 아니 투지 체스라네 신이토소 아니 thank you to all the frontline workers. Thank you again.
My name is Sitin Tashi. First of all, I would like to thank Tibetan Association of Alberta for providing me this great opportunity. It's been very hard for all of us for the past year and a half. During this pandemic, many people, including frontline workers, have lost their family members, friends, and loved one. My sincere condolences goes out to you all. Today, taking this opportunity, I, on behalf of all the Tibetans around the world, would like to extend my hearty thanks to all the frontline workers, including doctors, nurses, paramedic, cleaners, police, fire department, correctional workers, all the staff members of AHS and hospitals across Canada for sacrificing everything for us to have a safe community. During this difficult time, you all have worked tirelessly to keep our community safe and secure. Thank you very much. And finally, I wish and pray for you and your family to have a beautiful and happy life ahead. Tuchena.
Lengi nampa changmala tashtile kungkam sang tiring gumo lundup tsumogi Calgary pepe tsope tsap shune frontline leje pa yongzola ningtakpa ne tuji chena shuen changme khense tar yitong chugu thamane je thandabar corona sirwe neyam zapchi goni shik zamling na yongni mimang yongzola pe masikangi theore dinji dyuji zapchi kapso chale nangkhe pe chashana gorsuri nangdang ani mixi gi mengkhang nala chale nangkhe yongzo mempa dang changma sukhe inaya changmala ningtakpa ni nge Calgary pepe tsope tsap shune char du thukji chena shuen ani thukji chena khongna pe masikatin chembore